Hey friends, it's Beth at Rekindle Blessings. Come and help me paint this cute little sign. We're going to put some brown around the outside edges. This is just an old board that Miss Kay sent me with a spindle on it, you guys. I'm going to paint around the outside edges with this brown. Then we're going to take and I'm going to add a little bit of cream just to kind of tone down the brown a little bit around the edges. And I'm making sure that my brush doesn't have a lot of cream on it. I'm just kind of going in, and then we're going to add some white. We're not going to go all the way to the edges. We're just going to kind of come out a little bit. And you guys, this is not painted even all the way. It just has a little bit of white. We're going to scuff it all up with our sander just to kind of, I want that brown to show you guys. So I'm pulling back a little bit of that white around these edges. I'm going to glue that. I kind of had an area that kind of pulled loose when I was sanding. So we're going to glue that. And you can see there, guys, how it looks kind of scuffed up. I'm going to draw a line, a straight line with a pencil. And then we're going to go in with a line brush, which is one of my long brushes. It has the long bristles. And we're just going to go straight across to make a line. And then we're going to draw an arrow. We're going to draw an arrow. And I just kind of touch that up, and we're going to draw the back part. I guess you would call it the fins of the arrow. I'm not sure what that's called, but anyway, the back of the arrow. Then we're going to take and we're going to mix some black with our red, and we're going to draw a little heart right here on the front of the arrow. I'm going to add some black in there, get that red a little bit deeper. And we're just going to play with the heart. You'll see me mess with it up and down, up and down. I'll keep turning my little board around, back and forth. We're going to give it a dry. We'll mess with it a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in and we're going to add a little bit of white for some highlighting. And then we're going to go around it in black. I don't know if you can even see that white highlight, but it is red, you guys, and it has a white highlight. And then I'm going to use two daubers. We're going to put two dots next to one another, and then we're going to go larger ones and touch each one of these. I don't know if you guys know what we're doing, but you'll see here in a minute. We're going to finish drawing this out with the brush. I'm going to just kind of round the little bottom section here, and we're going to draw some tails on. Y'all, we're making some cute little birds. We're making some cute little birds. And the dots was the easiest way to do that, you guys. See how simple that was? And then I'm just going to kind of touch it up with my paint, make sure we've got it covered in paint. Then we're going to come in with some white highlights on the birds, on the tails, and also around the bodies there. Then I'm going to come back in here on the side, and we're going to put R plus B, which is Randy plus Beth forever. Y'all, look how cute this is. Then we're going to do our black frame. Y'all, look how cute this is. And we're going to go back and sand off what we messed up. We're going to fix the little fins on the arrow, get them all good and straightened out. And I decided I wanted that arrow to have a little more substance in the front. So I just went ahead and filled that in. Look how cute this is, you guys. Absolutely adorable. I am loving this. Straighten these all out here. Look at that, you guys. That's the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Y'all, if you don't follow Rekindle Blessings, hit that button. And if you would, spread the blessings, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.